So guys, I was about to stop recording, but then the weather suddenly turned around and I thought of switching on the camera again because I wanted to show you. It looks like there's a storm coming here in Switzerland, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna drive around a little bit. Maybe it's gonna start to rain, we'll see. But yeah, look at this view, guys. It looks so misty now, guys. I'm gonna go to the right here and then drive this road back so you'll see the amazing view, guys. Was a bit too fast. Someone walk with the dog there. Alright, I'm quickly gonna turn around here. Alright, there we go. Look at this view, guys. And it looks like the storm will be coming from up here. But the view is absolutely amazing. I love it when it's like this. So I never managed to record any video when the weather was like this here in Switzerland, and now I got really lucky, I guess, because yeah, it's kind of hard to catch the weather when it looks like this before the storm already is here. So some bicycle riders. I'm probably gonna think of driving a little bit through this village here, guys. See if we see some people there. And yeah, I think it's kind of relaxing now to ride around, so I'm probably gonna go up there. Let's go up here. Nice Porsche. Ferrari, I think it was, I'm not sure. There's a restaurant here, guys, in Switzerland with a very nice view. I'm gonna drive a little bit up this hill, guys, see how far I can get up here. Never driven up here, so where do I have to go? I think we have to go here. Actually, let's not go through here. I'm gonna go my usual routes because I don't know where this goes to. Not a single person outside right now, guys. It feels like I'm completely alone in this street here, guys. On this street. and it almost looks a little bit abandoned here because there's literally nobody outside. But I think it's because the weather is changing and everyone is expecting rain soon. Looks like there are people camping here. That looks like a lot of fun actually. Oh, I have to be careful, bicycle rider. Still no rain, guys, so we're kind of lucky so far. But now I'm gonna ride my way back home. Or actually, let's go through here because we're allowed to drive through here as well. It's like a really cool road. It's almost a little bit like an off-road road. Plus, you're allowed to drive through there, so that's cool. I don't have the best bike for this, but yeah, I have to be careful. Someone walking with a dog. Let's try to drive a little bit faster here. Oh, it's so much fun. But the suspension is not the right one on my bike. Oh, yes, I definitely don't have the right suspension for this, guys. But I guess it works. Just have to avoid these holes here. There we go. About to make it out. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know, and also please let me know in the comments if you want me to talk more or less or not at all. I would really love some feedback regarding this, guys. And yeah, see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.